Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix PiP not working on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on general. Under general, scroll down, locate and click on picture in picture. Then if start PiP automatically is disabled, then go ahead and turn this on. Now, when next you are watching video on any supported application on your iPhone, maybe YouTube or Facebook, and you want to enable PiP, all you simply need to do is go ahead, open the YouTube video that you want to enable PiP. Once you open the YouTube video and the YouTube video started playing, you simply need to minimize the YouTube video. And this is going to enable PiP, which is going to allow the YouTube video to play on your iPhone screen while you perform some other task. However, in some region, you may need to enable PiP on your iPhone app. So basically for YouTube, you just need to click on the profile picture at the bottom right, click on settings, then go ahead and click on general. Under general, locate and turn on PiP. So if you turn on picture in picture under general, you'll be able to use or watch your video on your iPhone screen. So that's it. So that's exactly how to fix PiP not working on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.